Hi everyone, we wanted to share with you one of the projects we've been working on. In this video, you'll see our bolt-on land plane concept for our plow conversion system. Like all of our products, it was designed for easy installation with basic tools. In today's project, the ground is almost flush with the bottom of the garage, which had caused some damage. Now that it's fixed, we need to grade the soil down and away by about 8 inches so we don't have this problem again. Not only do we want to lower the grade, we also want to slope it towards the back of the garage where the natural grade will help shed rainwater. The area is about 12 feet wide and 30 feet long. It's not a large area, but I certainly wouldn't want to do this with a shovel and wheelbarrow. We're going to start about 8 feet in front of the garage and start the grading to create a gradual decline. The land plane projects a broad surface area, with a depth of 17 inches and a width of 54 inches, which allows you to precisely remove and relocate materials to give you a level surface without the typical gouging you experience with flat blades. 8 scarifiers penetrate the ground up to 3 inches deep to loosen the soil. The scarifiers lock in position while back dragging and pivot up while driving forward. They can also be locked in the up position when not in use. Once the soil is loosened, the rear scraping blade shaves off a layer of soil as you drive forward. The scraping blade is adjustable up and down, it's reversible, and it's also replaceable, which is an important lesson we learned from our first prototype. On the front is an abrasion-resistant 3/8 inch thick by 3 inches wide steel cutting edge. Let's speed this video up. If you want to watch it in real time, set the YouTube playback speed to 0.5. Unfortunately, I did not have a lockout valve installed at the time of this video, so I did have to play around with the curl axis more than I would have liked to. Here you can see there's a slight incline, and combined with the missing lockout valve, it causes the front cutting edge to dig in. The slight incline pitches the tractor up, causing me to lose the load. Later in the video, you'll see I plane down the raised area and eliminate the problem. Behind the garage, the property slopes away and has a number of low spots that can be filled in, so this is an ideal place to relocate the excess material. This is a really efficient way to move the soil with a garden tractor, since it doesn't have the brute force or weight of a subcompact tractor or a skid steer. Just simply moving forward and backwards can really move a lot of material with little effort. The tractor we're using is a 1985 John Deere 318 with unfilled Goodyear Terra tires. These tires really have a lot of grip, especially when compared to turf tires. I'm sure there are better ones, but these seem to do the job pretty good. And there's about 350 pounds of concrete block on the weight bracket. Now it's time to fix the incline that's been causing us problems and plane it away. This time when I make another pass, I don't use the scarifiers at all. All I'm doing is riding over the path to feel for any high spots. Occasionally, some rocks will jam the scarifier blades, not allowing gravity to rotate them back down. I try to shake them off, but sometimes you just have to pull them out. I know this is not the exact scene as the picture in picture, but I wanted to show you another view of the scarifiers in action. So the reason I bored you with the continual video was I wanted to show you that in just under a half hour, I was able to lower the grade by 2 inches. I spent the next 4 hours expanding the area to the left and lowering the total grade by 4 inches, which was enough for one day. I know viewers are probably going to comment that I should have rented a skid steer and had the entire project done in a day. If that were the case, I could have just as easily hired a crew to do the job. But the point of this to me is being self-reliant, having total control over the project, being able to work on this at my own pace and schedule, and know the job was done to my satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to learn more about our products, please visit us at merrickproducts.com.